Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by choosing compatible parts: motor, gearbox, and the conversion mechanism, lead screw, rack and pinion, or crank slider. Mount the motor to a rigid base and align its shaft with the converter. Misalignment causes wear. Once done, attach the coupling and tighten to spec, and position guides so the slider moves freely yet with minimal play. Make sure to set initial backlash under 0.5 mm. This reduces jerky motion. You're already turning rotational intent into a controlled linear setup. You now assemble the core converter. For a lead screw, fit the nut and anti-backlash device. For rack and pinion, mesh gear teeth with 0.3 mm clearance. Once mounted, install bearings and supports. These carry radial loads and keep the axis straight. Make sure to lubricate threads and gear teeth with appropriate grease. Lack of lubrication increases friction and heat. Next, adjust limit stops and position sensors so the stroke is accurate. After this, run the system slowly to confirm smooth conversion. From rotation, you finalize by calibrating travel. Drive the motor a known number of revolutions and measure linear displacement to confirm pitch and ratio. Once done, tune motor current and feed rates to avoid stalling under peak load. If you encounter binding, back off preload or recheck gear mesh, and if there's excessive backlash, increase anti-backlash tension slightly. Make sure to log repeatability over several cycles. If things go wrong, see the troubleshooting tip. Verify alignment, lubrication, and motor torque before replacing parts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.